this is Ramya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And today I'm gonna do another haul. I found this new app called as Yea3. You guys can get such high quality items at such low prices. I'm just loving this new app. I stumbled upon them recently only and I felt like I should get some items to show you guys, and I did. I'm gonna give you guys the links and everything in the description box below for you guys to check it out. And before I proceed to the products that I got from there, I did not shop a lot. I spent like about 3,000 or something. Let me just show you how the website looks like. It's not a website, it's more like an app. And the sad thing is that it's not an app for the iPhone users. So if you feel like you have an iPhone, you should get it from the website instead of the app. Or if you have an Android, then you can definitely go for the app. So this is how the app looks like, and the app has this, you know, it clearly says at the top that you can get this VIP membership for just 29 rupees. Like, have you ever heard that you guys can get a VIP membership for just 29 rupees? With the VIP membership, you get about 30% off, like an extra 30% off on all the already discounted products. So that's such a cheap deal, seriously. And the reason why I got lots of stuff in just 3,000, I think I spent a little lesser than 3,000 as well. I don't exactly remember, but yeah, but I did get that VIP membership as soon as I saw it, because then only I got a lot of stuff. So you should definitely register yourself and get that VIP membership first, so that you guys can clearly see. And you guys can clearly see the website, whenever you go for a product, you can see that the actual price and then the VIP price. So if you have a VIP membership, you will get the VIP price as the total of your item, I mean the cost of the item, and not the actual cost that other people are buying who are not VIP, just in case. And the best thing is that you guys can pay using Paytm. The best thing that I have found is that the websites or the apps that allow you to use Paytm is the most convenient app to use or to shop from. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I have all the products that are inside this bag. So let's just see what this is. The first that is that this bag, it's this one, and it's a pretty decent and a nice bag, pretty decent bag. I got this bag for my shoots, for my outdoor shoots, so that I can carry some nice clothes and shoes and everything, accessories and all stuff in this one, so that I don't have to carry huge bags to go out and shoot. So yeah, this is the bag that I got. It doesn't smell bad, and it has this what do you call this, handles, as well as you know, a long strap to, you know, carry it like this, rings here, and the strap is inside. So this is a pretty decent and a very good quality bag. I think this one was the most expensive one out of all the stuffs that I got. I haven't used it like for the long term, so I can't tell you about the durability. You know what, I'll show you the strap in the end. So let's just get into the stuff that I got, and I've filled this duffel bag with all the products that I got. So the first one that I got is this bag. Like, after the VIP discount, I got this one for like about 400 rupees, and this is a pretty decent bag. It's not like bad at all, and the quality is pretty nice. You have a nice amount of space in it, and these guys shipped it like in 2 days after I placed the order, and also it reached me within 7 days. Yes, within 7 days. It has this very cute little what do you call it, a deer keychain going on, and it's a really cute one. And they have some other colors as well. Maybe they had this gray, they had this pink, I don't remember if they had white, but they had gray, pink and red as well for this one, and this black. And it has this detachable strap thing, and it's a pretty decent bag. You can carry a lot of stuff in this, and you can go along your day. The next bag that I got is this one, this bag, and it's a pink bag. It's a makeup storage bag, more like makeup traveling bag. Like, you can carry your makeup and skincare stuff in this bag. And if you open this up, you have the pouches like this, and you guys can hook it somewhere, I don't know, hang it somewhere while you are doing your makeup, or I don't know what that hook is. But yeah, it has a very it has quite spacious storage, you know, pouches in there, so you guys can clearly carry your everyday makeup in there. Yeah, and also they have this back pocket, also 1 and 2 side pockets. Next, I'll show you guys 2 clothing pieces. This one is this turtleneck sweater. It's not super warm, but it's a very decent turtleneck sweater. It was very inexpensive as well. It was like about 500 or 600. I don't exactly remember that. It has a very high turtleneck going around. Here you will have to fold this piece to wear it normally, and then it's also a body fitting sweater. It's not like a loose sweater, so yeah, it's gonna fit to your body. It's gonna stick to your body as well. The next clothing item that I got is this one. I am not sure if I should have gotten this, but this is not meant for the girls who have side fat like me, so it's kind of like that. And this is how the top looks like. It's a crop top, and it's a very cute pink, baby pink color, but still it is not going to suit me if I have side fat. So if you do have side fat, don't get it. But if you do have high waist jeans, do get it. Yeah, that's what I'm planning to do and planning to wear with this one. This is a knitted sweater kind of crop top. It's not meant for the summer season, but it's meant for winter season, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is in a knit what do you call it, fabric, and knitted fabric, and see the elasticity. This is how it will spread it to your body. It's gonna stick to your body though. See, that's how stretchy it is. But it's a very cute crop top though, but still you gotta lose some side fat if you want to wear it. Side fat. The next items that I have are not clothing items. They are more like jewelry. And yeah, by the way guys, I got the strap. There you go. This is the strap for the bag, and this is how the strap looks like. So the jewelry piece looks something like this, and this is how the jewelry is. I don't know if you guys can clearly see it, but I'm going to show you guys a close-up as well. So yeah, this is how it is, and it has these pearls and diamonds attached to it. It's a silver jewelry, and it has small and big pearls attached to it. The next item that I got are the earrings. So yeah, the earrings look something like this. They have this what do you call it, drop shape for the to go in the ear, and at the back you will have these. So yeah, I wanted this for so long and I got this. So the next earring piece that I have is this, and this is how the earrings will be. So it's gonna go around your earlobe like this, and it's gonna give you a really nice ear shape around it. And yeah, this is how it is. It has these two jhumkas going on, like two dangling things as well. And yeah, this is how it is. I have one last stuff, and this is skin hydrator, face hydrator. So it has these two products. One is the item, the main item, and the second one is this USB portal charger for this piece, which you have to plug in at the bottom of this piece so that you guys can charge it. Let me tell you guys what it does. And also it has this very tiny mirror at the front, and you guys have to, you know, like open it like this, and then you see this much container going on. You just have to fill water in it, and you just have to close this piece again. And the next thing is that you have to press this button like down like this, and you guys can see this is glowing, right? So that's because the product is working. So if I do put in water inside, which I'll show you in the close-up, and you will see the steam coming out right from the hole that this piece has. Like when you remove this, like when you put this like when you pull this down, there is this hole from where the steam will come out. It does not have water inside, so that's why it's making that sound. Put rice water inside. You guys can put some medicated water inside. It's just gonna give out the steam of the water. It's not steam actually, sorry, it's not steam. It's just gonna spray the water on you. But it's a very delicate, I don't know how to explain it. It's a very delicate way of spraying it on your face. It kind of just hydrates your face without actually you know, throwing the water at you. You can also hydrate your makeup if it has gotten a little bit patchy. Then you can use this around your face, and it will you know, give a little dewy finish, hydrated finish to your makeup as well. The next product is this one, which is this shoe that I got. It's a woolen I mean winter boots, and it has all the fur thing going on inside. It starts from here and it goes till the toe, and it's pretty decent one, although it's a bit small in size for me. It's like a snug fit for me. It's not like a very decent comfortable fit, it's more like a snug fit, but I think it will open up you know, as many times as I wear it. If I keep on wearing it, it's going to open up and it's going to loosen up a little so that I can wear it comfortably. But you don't really have to wear socks inside of it, but I do feel like wearing socks for shoes and boots so that it doesn't get stinky. It was about like 700 rupees, so that was like a really cheap deal, I guess, because if you go for Myntra and stuff, at least the minimum amount you'll have to pay is about like 1,000 rupees for such kind of boots. So I think this is a pretty decent and nice boot. And the best thing about it is that the product that you get in this is a felt which you can clearly wash or clean using a damp cloth and some soap or dishwasher, and then you're just good to go. So that concludes the overall products that I got from this website, and to be very honest, I just love this website. You guys should clearly try it out. You should just download the website link which is in the description box for you on your phone, and you should check this website out. Like, totally, I would totally suggest you guys to do that, because the stuff that I got are pretty decent. They are pretty good, especially if you're gonna get bags. They are just damn awesome. Yeah, that is it, guys. If you want any more information on the website or everything will be in the description box. But if you want to confirm something from me, do comment down below, or you can DM me as well on Instagram, and I would love to help you guys. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press that notification bell button so that you guys get notified as soon as I upload a new video. So that's it for today's, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.